Alright guys, Ninja Breaks here again, live from DMP Cards. We're going to do another in-store break for a customer. Gold Standard, 2014-15. Running it back. Hopefully I pull him another decent box. We'll see. Can never go wrong with Gold Standard. I hope. Alright. Another huge brick of cards. Okay. Alright, one off the back. Sorry. Parallel base. Okay. George Gervin, the Iceman, numbered out of 79. Chandler Parsons, base, numbered out of 285. Andrew Bogut, base, numbered out of 285. Ben McLemore, another Sacramento King, numbered out of 285. We'll flip it. Oh, nice. Richard Jefferson, on-card autograph, numbered out of 50. It's pretty cool. Super Scribe auto. Next, Aaron Gordon, rookie autograph, jersey, numbered out of 199. Next, John Sally, member of the Bad Boys, on-card autograph, numbered 79 of 79, your proverbial eBay 1 of 1. Next up, oh, very nice. Gold Strike Jersey Auto, James Harden, 36 of 49. Next, Vintage Gold, 14 karat gold leaf of Larry Bird, number 2 of 20. Very nice card. Check that out. 14 karat gold. Next, wow, another nice patch card. This one is Kevin Durant, Russell Westbrook, and Serge Ibaka, numbered 18 of 25. Triple Patch. 2 color, 3 color, and 3 color. And the last card, oh, it's our base card. Not a bad break. It's probably the two of the better hits. Very nice. Alright guys, this is Rob from Ninja Breaks, broadcasting live at DMP Cards. Thanks for watching.